Hi students, welcome back English class standard 6. Dear students, the previous class we had recited a very beautiful poem that was the Echoing Green. But today we will discuss about its exercise and also I am preparing a hard copies for you. I will provide it. So dear students, let's come into the exercise. The students, first of all, question number 1, choose the correct options. What gets happy when the sun rises? Dear students, here three options mentioned: forest, sky, sea. So the correct answer is sky. So dear students, you put a tick mark in the box. Question number 2, to welcome home do the merry bells ring? Dear students, the correct answer is spring. Then question number 3, who had white hair? Dear students, here three options: John, Jim and Jack. So the correct answer is John. Dear students, question number 4, who is the poet of this poem? I think you know about the poem who has written in this poem. The correct answer is William Blake. Dear students, then question number 2, write T for true or F for false statements. Here some statements are given below. Which statements are true? Which statements are false? You put false for F for false and you put T for true. So first statement, old Michael sits under an oak tree. Here a old man was John, not Michael. So this statement is false. So you put F in the box. Then birds sing to the cheerful sound of the children. So the statement is false. So you put F here. Old John is sitting alone. You know students, old John and his other folk were sitting under the oak tree. So not only John. So the statement is false. So you put F here. Skylark and Coco are the two birds mentioned in the poem. You know students, Skylark and thrush, not Coco. So the statement is false. You put F here. Your students, then you come to question number 1, short answer questions. The first question is, how did the old people enjoy the spring? So dear students, the answer is, the old people enjoyed the spring by watching children play in the park and recalling their youth. Question number 2, where did the little children go when the sun sets? The answer is, the children went back to their mother after the sunset. The students, question number 3, how did the older people feel upon seeing the children play? The older people remember their youth and laugh at the children play. So the question number 4, what does the term darkening green denote? Denote means represents. The answer is, the term represents that spring will always come with a lot of joys, but it will eventually end. So dear students, let's come to the question number 2, long answer questions. The first question is, write down a few lines from the poem which show how nature celebrates the onset of spring. The lines which shows the celebration of the onset of spring are, the sun does arise and make happy the skies. The merry bell ring to welcome the spring. Question number 2. How did old John enjoy his time? The answer is old John enjoyed his time by remembering his youth, watching the children play and laughing at them. Question number 3. Explain the phrase make happy the skies. The answer is the phrase make happy the skies describes how the skies are made happy by the rising of the sun and also because of the clear bright sky. Question number 4. Compare and contrast echoing green with darkening green. The answer is a hint of sadness affects the poem in the last stanza, where the echoing green becomes the darkening green, which means spring will always come and with it all the joys and energy of the season. But it will eventually end, giving way to the cold and darkness of autumn and winter. So dear students, let's come into the question number 3. Answer the following questions with reference to context. Let's recite the context. Old John with white hair does laugh awake air, sitting under the oak among the old folk. They laugh at our play, and soon they all say, such were the joys when we all, girls and boys, in our youth, time were seen on the echoing green. Some questions given below. First question is, who is watching the children play on the echoing green? Dear students, you know a man, old man, who is John. So the answer is John. John watching the children play on the echoing green. The answer is John. Then which tree has been mentioned in the given stanza? Dear students, there is a tree, oak tree. Oak tree has been mentioned in the given stanza. Question number 3. What makes the old folk laugh? Dear students, the old folk laughs to see the children's play. So the answer is children's play. What do you understand by the line old John with white hair does laugh awake air? Dear students, that means that old John is forgetting his problems of life by being happy and laughing. So dear students, some here are some vocabularies given below. I think you should do yourself. If any doubt, you will call me on my number. I will handle it. I will help you. So don't worry about the vocabulary. Very soon I will discuss it. So dear students, thank you. So stay home, safe life, best of luck, have a nice day for you, God bless you.